The next option that we have when editing our photo is adjusting our brightness and contrast and our shadows and highlights. Again, this is going to be up in the image menu option. Go down to adjustments. Then at the very top, you'll see brightness and contrast. Click that. This will let you overall change the brightness of your image and the contrast of your image. So I can make my image extremely bright if I wanted to blind my audience, or very dark to kind of make it a little more moody and gloomy. If you notice, I lose a lot of detail in the back here if I crank it up too far down. Crank it down too far. Ooh. So if I go a little bit up here, I want to change my brightness. I want it to be a little brighter. And my contrast is just going to adjust the strength of my shadows. So I can make my shadows really strong, or I can drain most of my shadows out. First image, I want my shadows to be strong because I have a lot of shadows in this tree. So I'm going to crank it up a little bit. And we'll hit OK. Now the next thing is changing the shadows and the highlights. Again, it'll be up in image in the menus, options, adjustments. Then down towards the bottom almost, shadows and highlights. Here I can change the percentage strength of those two options. So I can crank my shadows up a little bit to get rid of some of them, brighten them up a tiny bit. And I also turn my highlights down just a tad. And so that way I can make those mountains in the back show up a little more. So I like my settings, I can hit OK. And then I'm done adjusting those couple options.